Where to find the best sites. Media playback software. Hello. You want more information about how to install Quicktime for me? These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about how to install Quicktime for me is www.apple.com. Specifically the page titled Apple, Quicktime, Download. Here's the link. Try also our second-ranked site support.apple.com, especially the page Quicktime, How to install on Windows, Apple support. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site 2871898.r.msn.com. The web page Quicktime copyright-free download, 2014 Quicktime for Windows. Here's the link.